very strong engineering skills. We've got deep knowledge about sensors and wireless communication. And because of that, we have chosen to specialize in IoT and wearable devices, which use those skills very effectively. In addition, we're very good at low power design, which is needed for battery operated devices. Another important skill to go with sensors is understanding analog design, which is not so popular these days. Just us old gray-haired engineers understand analog design, but we're really good at it. We've got a number of people who are very good at it. We're very good at firmware and software as well. So not only can we create a wearable device, we can create the app and the cloud software to go with it. And we even have skills in things like motion control and FPGAs.